Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today, in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can disable Save to Gallery on BIP. So, let's get started. Firstly, open BIP app in your device. Then tap on three lines icon. Next, scroll until you find settings. Then tap on it. After that, tap on chat settings. Next, you can see the option of save to gallery. Tap on it. After that, you can see the option of never. Tap on it. So, this is how you can disable save to gallery on VIP. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.